Over him, I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of drugstore / affordable products. I did my eyes in a separate video, so besides that, everything on my face is drugstore. All of these products work really well for me. I love good drugstore products, so I love videos like this. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see some of my most used drugstore items, just keep watching. Okay, ignore my frizzy hair, but today I'm going to be doing the rest of my face makeup using all drugstore items that I have really been liking. There's two new products, newer products that I've recently gotten, and then there's one product that, there's three products that are newer, and one product that I used to use all the time and I have not used it in forever. So let's just get into it. I did film this eye look if you want to check it out. It is look number 10 in my 10 looks using one palette series using the Subculture palette. So if you want to see that, I will link it down below so you can check that out. It should be up first. The first thing I'm going to do is prime. So I used to love this NYX pore filler primer. Definitely my skin is more dry right now. I did put an oil on before I started filming, but I used to love this primer, and I can't even tell you the last time that I used it. And I do have some pretty intense pores right here, so slick filling. I can't really see right now if it looks like my pores are filled. Like, I don't think it blurred them or anything, but I'll be able to tell when I put my foundation on. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. I just did a wear test on this foundation. I really liked it. It's kind of dark for me right now. Like, I am a lot more pale, but I did really like this. It's definitely lighter coverage than I like. I'm normally a full coverage type of girl. I always feel like I put way too much on with the Dofa applicator because I just kind of like paint it all over my face. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe sponge and just blend that out. Seriously, ignore my frizzy hair. I just got out of the shower and Tay was already like passing out on the couch, so I didn't have time to do it before she fell asleep. Because if I try to film while she's awake, it just doesn't happen. With this foundation, I do like to build up a second layer on my cheeks. If you want to see the wear test that I did on this foundation, I'll link that video down below as well, so you can kind of see how it wears throughout the day on my skin if you want. I do like this foundation. I think it's really pretty. It's very skin-like. It's definitely not full coverage. If you have spots that you need covered, you definitely need to spot conceal. Okay, so for concealers, I'm going to use my two favorites. These are like my ride or dies. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C1, and then this is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in Light Natural. So I focus this brighter concealer, the Makeup Revolution. This is almost gone, right in the inner corner to really brighten up right there. And then I highlight the rest of the face with this concealer, the Catrice concealer. And before I blend that out, I'm going to go ahead and get my powder ready. So this is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Lace, and I do really like this powder. Okay, so I just set my entire face with that same powder. I think my skin looks pretty nice, especially since I just kind of had a little bit of a breakout, which is super annoying. Okay, to contour, I'm going to be taking the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I love this. This is such a good one from the drugstore. And it's like, it's little and it's compact. So I'm going to take that middle shade, that ashy one, on this Morphe R2. That's such a subtle, easy contour to, especially if you're a beginner. It's super easy because it is light, but it's buildable. I feel like you can't really go too heavy-handed on it. I think it's a super great option. Just contouring my nose a little bit. This is the BH Cosmetics 104 brush. It's like a fluffy slanted brush and it's my favorite for contouring my nose. For bronzer, who would have guessed it? I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I think this is their original. I'm just taking this Eco Tools multitasking brush. I never used to really like think about buying stuff from Physicians Formula, but most of the stuff I've tried is so good. That's the best bronzer. I picked that bronzer over like everything. For blush, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Just Blushing in the shade Just Natural on this Morphe M530. I really like this blush. It's such a pretty toned down blush. It is beautiful. I love this color. Okay, actually I am noticing that my pores are pretty well filled. Yeah, I think they look pretty good. Whoa. Lately I have just been going overboard on the blush. Like, what is with me? Going over that to tone it down a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with the Milani Stellar Lights in Rose Glow highlighting palette, and I think I'm going to mix, I think I'm just going to go in with the pearly shade. Go figure. I feel like I never don't use that one. Look how pretty that is. It's so good. Out of all my highlighters, I reach for this one a ton, even over my high-end ones. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. That's not drugstore. You can get it at Ulta and it's definitely more affordable. But if you want a really good drugstore setting spray, the Milani Make It Last is killer. For lips, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Katsu in Nudist Peach. These, I forget to grab these. I have like 15 of them and I love these and I forget how freaking awesome these are. Seriously, these are so good. These are such good liquid lipsticks. Those lipsticks are really good. I would recommend these all the time. These are awesome. Some of my other favorites are the L'Oreal Infallible liquid lipsticks, or whatever those are called. Those are really good. And the Maybelline Super Stay Ink, or whatever those ones are also really good from the drugstore. I'm gonna go finish up my eyes really quick and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I threw my hair up in a bun because it was a frizzy disaster, but this is what the makeup looks like. Basically everything on my face minus my brows, the eyeshadow, and the lashes. Those are the only three things that are not drugstore. Everything else is the eyeliner, the mascara, which I'll tell you. I used the, okay, where's it? I used the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Silky Nude on my waterline. This is literally one of my most used eye pencils. It's amazing. And then the mascara I used today was the Jordana Best Lash Extreme Volumizing Mascara. I do really like this mascara. I think it's awesome. So all of those products were drugstore, minus pretty much just my eyes, and all of those products work really well for me. Let me know down below if you have any of these products and how they work for you. Like I said, I did film this eye look, so if you want to check that out, I will link it down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Over him, I got no rules, I count 'em.